Okay, so reading the practice internal 2, first thing we need to do is figure out what the dimensions of our base could be. So the base can't exceed, so be greater than 18 centimeters squared. So this could be 9 centimeters by 2 centimeters, 6 centimeters by 3 centimeters. Alright, if we look at these two different dimensions, we want to be able to put four different squares, so 4 different pieces of gum into it. So if we have 3 centimeters by 6 centimeters, it's going to be a bit tricky, because if we have a square that's 3 centimeters by 6 centimeters, the biggest, we can only get 2 there. So the squares then aren't really going to fit in. So what we could actually do is we could divide 6 by 4 and have 4 little squares in there. Otherwise, if we use this one here, we could have each square being 2 centimeters by 2 centimeters, another one being 2 centimeters by 2 centimeters, and then what you can see we've got here is we've got 4 squares. So we've got our 4 squares for our chewing gum, and then we got this 1 square left over. So this box of 9 centimeters by 2 centimeters is going to be our best bet for the package. And then each piece of chewing gum is going to be 2 centimeters by 2 centimeters long here. So each piece of chewing gum is going to be 2 centimeters by 2 centimeters. So that's what we're going to work on. So we're going to choose base of 9 centimeters by 2 centimeters. This fits 4 chewing pieces of chewing gum with a base of 2 centimeters by 2 centimeters. Right. So each piece of chewing gum is going to be 2 centimeters by 2 centimeters. Okay, now volume. So the volume of each piece of gum is going to be 3 milliliters, which is equal to 3 centimeters cubed. So the first thing we did is we did the base dimensions, and then we're doing the volume conversion. Alright, now what we want to look at is we want to look at how each of these 3 shapes can have a volume of 3 milliliters. So let's start with the pyramid. So pyramid volume. Volume. Right. So the formula is a third times the height of the pyramid times the width of the pyramid times the length of the pyramid for a square pyramid. So volume of square pyramid is equal to that. So that is also the same as height times width times length. Now the base of the pyramid, we're already given it. So the base of the pyramid is 2 centimeters by 2 centimeters. So the width is equal to 2, length is equal to 2. And then we also know that the volume is going to be equal to 3. So what we're saying then is that 3, because 3 is the volume that we want each piece of gum to be. So the volume of each piece of gum is 3, so that's the volume. And then the formula is a third times the height times the width, which is 2, times the length, which is 2 as well. So what we've got is 3 is equal to 2 times 2 times a third. So we've got 4 over 3 times the height, and then what we can do is we can divide this side by 4 over 3, and then we're going to get our height. Or another way of doing it is if we use the pyramid volume calculator,